Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today looking at the small Bear Grill pocket knife. So it comes in this small box package with a lot of instructions here and warranties and so on. So let's open it and see how it looks. So here's the small knife and more in the box is your survival pocket guide. That's actually very nice. Also have a lot of stuff here in it. It shows you how to make fire and how some stuff works. Let me just open it here. So here you can see, here's your navigation on this side and snare traps. Show you how to make snare traps, knots, how to make knots and everything. You can pause and read all this if you are able to. There's the sources and collection of the stuff, specification and all this stuff that can help you there in top. They show you how to make fire, clothing, shelters, how to build a shelter, good shelter, different type of shelters and location and signal fire. So it's quite nice to have. Oh yeah, and there's a ruler on the one side of your paper as well. So it can be very handy, and as long as you don't get your paper wet. So you must, if you use this guides, you must try to keep your paper very dry to be able to read it. And if you have read it once, you'll memorize it and know what to do next time. So let's get back to the knife. So here's the knife. It's a very light and small knife. It's very small, but I like a small knife that sits nice in your hand. There's a nice grip and steady. If you can see there, it's really good. This is plastic and it's riveted together. So, and this is your knife blade now. I don't think it's too sharp, but it's a very big angle. It's grinded, so you don't lose your edge so fast. So yeah, and it closes here at the back. You press down there, close it. As a lanyard loop. I'll put the lanyard loop lanyard on here. I'll show you guys what lanyard I'm putting on here for my piece of rope and so on that I would like to have when on my small survival knife. And I'll use this one actually to carry during the day for just carry it. It's a very nice light weighted knife and very compact, very thin as well. Some people will have a problem with the thickness of your blade here, but as I say, this one I can grip it nice and push with my thumb there, get good leverage in there. And yeah, let's see if I can even open it one-handed if we really want to and need to. So let's see the weight of this knife. Yeah, I have a small scale. Let's see what its weight is. 26.1 11 grams. So as you can see, it's a very light weighted knife, and I paid 50 rand for it, so 50 rand is nothing for this knife, and I'll carry it and then I'll let you guys know how it went and how it is how it feels to carry it. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to this video, because to this channel. Next is this big one, the bigger roll. So I'll show you guys about this one as well, and what you get in this box. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.